Right, so if you've created a reel or a story in Canva and now you're staring at it thinking, brilliant, now how do I actually get this onto Instagram properly? Then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your content to Instagram, the difference between a story, a reel and a highlight, and when you'll use each one. Nice and simple. Now before we post anything, a quick explanation because Instagram likes to make this sound more complicated than it is. Now a story lasts 24 hours. Great for updates, reminders, behind the scenes, quick announcements. A reel sticks around and can be discovered by people who don't follow you. That's better for reach and growth. Now, a highlight is just a saved story that lives permanently on your profile. So if you want urgency, you'll want a story. If you want a bit of reach, maybe a reel, and you want it to live on your profile long term, that's a highlight. And if you want to know how to turn your story into a highlight properly, I've got another video showing that step by step. So that's your next move after this one. First things first, create your content in Canva or wherever you like designing it. Story size, reel size, whatever you're making. Download it to your device. Now, if you'd like a proper walkthrough on the best way to set this up in Canva, let me know in the comments and I'll make one just for you. But for this video, I'm skipping to the finished version so we can get it posted. Now you're going to want to open Instagram. I'm on a tablet, but this works exactly the same on a phone. Desktop is still a bit limited, especially for stories and proper editing. So your safest bet is still using the mobile or tablet app. Tap the little plus icon in the square. Now choose what you're uploading. For this example, I'm uploading a reel. Select the video you just downloaded. Now tap next. Now you can edit your reel here. Here's where you can tweak a few things. You can add music, you can trim it down, you can add text, add stickers. If you need any help adding music properly, I've done a separate video on that too. Link is in the description. Once you're happy, tap next again. Now you're onto the details screen. This is where you can add your caption, add your hashtags, tag someone if needed, add your location. I'm going to add a location here, and please don't skip this bit. You're going to want to edit your cover image. You can upload a custom cover from your camera roll, which I recommend if you want your profile to look really tidy, or you can choose a frame from the video itself. I'm going to be a bit lazy and just choose this frame here. Pick something clear and readable. Once that's done, tap next. Now before you hit share, you can also choose whether to share it as a story, whether to share it on Facebook. If your accounts are connected, then you can tap share and that's it. It's live. That's how you upload your Canva content as a reel on Instagram, and when you'll use a story or a highlight instead. If this has helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps me out when you do this, and it means I can keep making simple, no nonsense tutorials like this one. If you want the next step, go and watch the video on turning stories into highlights. Right, now go post some.